Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is pretty much gonna be another event setup. It's a birthday party for I think a 2-year-old, and the theme is like a mermaid type theme. I got some different stuff in this video, like my chair covers and whatnot. But I just wanted to turn on the camera real quick before I get started because I'm waiting for my wife to get here. I'm in the U-Haul now. About to go in and start setting up and stuff. I got about 2-3 hours to set up before the party actually starts, and we'll come back. Anyway, I just wanted to go ahead and come on here. I wanted to talk about some of the stuff that I do in my events, because that really seems to be like my videos where I do my time lapse and my setups is almost, they get more views. They're bigger hits on my channel. So if it's something in my video that you have a question about, I know I showed y'all the centerpieces that I did for the weddings. I really don't do a lot of DIY centerpieces. That was one of them that I did because that wedding was kind of on the budget, and then somebody saw it that was local and wanted me to do the rose gold one, so I did those. And then I did the bouquets, so that was a DIY. That's another good video on my channel. And my other stuff is pretty much, I try to look for it, like when centerpieces, get ideas. I shop around at stores like Michael's, Ross, Hobby Lobby, Roses, Target, Walmart, Burlington Coat Factory, or Burlington, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. Those stores I like to shop around there because, and Joann's, they have a variety of stuff that I need. But most of the parties I've been doing is like events I've been doing is either baby showers or birthday parties. And like my balloon centerpieces is what I offer for my birthday parties, so they don't get like the glass centerpieces or anything like that, because I don't offer that for birthday parties. And I do more balloon work for birthday parties or anything. That's the reason why I have to. If anybody wants to buy me a U-Haul, you have not, because your ass not right. If anybody wants to buy me a U-Haul, let me know. Not a U-Haul, but like a big van, a work van. U-Haul done spoiled me with this one because this one is a new one. How many miles it got on it? It only has, this is real new. It only has 1,472 miles on it. I ain't realized that until just now. So it's brand new. It ride good. It smell new. I mean, it's nice. I want to keep it. But if you want to buy me a U-Haul van, let me know. I'm tired, y'all. I've been wide open every weekend. I really need to just pick a Friday. I was off, and I did my balloons and stuff, and just had a prep for today, because yesterday I knew I wasn't gonna be at home. We left early in the morning, got up early and left, and went to King's Dominion in Dawsonville, Virginia, and we stayed there from about 11:12 to 7. Came on home. I think we got home at 9:55, maybe 10. I went and picked up U-Haul. Got up this morning at 9 o'clock, loaded it up, went to church for a little while, and now I'm here. So that's why I'm so tired. But I'm not gonna ramble too much in this video. I mean, the last 3 videos, or 3 or 4 videos have been time-lapse videos, and I haven't said a word. So I wanted to at least say something and let you know where we are, what we're doing. What do you call it? Y'all ain't fans. Y'all are really family. The family name for this channel is Tomcats. What y'all think about that? Creative Joe, who's a subscriber gave me that name, and I think it's a good name because I think it's, I mean, like, you know, you have YouTubers and people who have a family or fan base who have names for their people. I think that is the catchiest name, Tomcat. So y'all are part of the Tomcat family. We're up to 4,500 subscribers. If you like my content, make sure you actually like it on the video. If you have a comment or a question or feedback or, you know, anything, weekend before Labor Day weekend. So next weekend I won't have anything to do, but after that I have a Lakers baby shower. And then after that I have a hot air balloon baby shower or lavender. I don't know, I gotta figure that one out. The events that I have that are new to me scare me because I'm creative, but I'm not. I have to like really tap into it. I'm at the lake down by where I live, which is, I'm at the same venue that I was last week that you saw the Prince of the Jungle baby shower time lapse. So I'm back here again. I like when we have venues that are the same venues because I know what to expect. And I don't have my shirt on that is my event shirt. We had Youth Sunday at church today, so I wore my Youth Sunday shirt. And on the back of it says Uncle Bud because that's who I'm known as. My real name is Thomas, but my nickname is Uncle Bud. So I might as well just gonna call it out before y'all see it in the video. I'm not gonna ramble anymore. I want to show y'all the lake, how the lake look. Don't that look good? It's just too hot. There's not anybody really down here because it's still early, still morning. But it's nice. It's plenty of space and it's just real nice. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into the video. Thank you for stopping by. If you're not a subscriber and you like my content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you can get all notifications when I upload videos. Share my content on whatever platform you're a part of as far as social media is concerned. If you're Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. I don't know if you can share on TikTok, Instagram. Share my content, share my links. And leave me some feedback. Let's talk in the comments if you want to. And we'll get into the video.